the devotees for your wonderful hospitality. We would like to begin by singing this wonderful song by Lochan Das Thakur, Akrodh Paramananda Nityanandaram. Someone can play the kartals. Akrodh Paramananda Nityananda Rai, Akrodh Paramananda Nityananda Rai, Abhiman Sunya Nitai Nagare Bedai, Abhiman Sunya Nitai Nagare Bedai, Akrodh Paramananda Nityananda Rai, Abhiman Sunya Nitai Nagare Bedai, Abhiman Sunya Nitai Nagare Bedai, Adhamapati Jivera Dware Dware Giya, Adhamapati Jivera Dware Dware Giya, Harinam Mahamantra Deno Bilaya, Harinam Mahamantra Deno Bilaya, Akrodh Paramananda Nityananda Rai, Akrodh Paramananda Nityananda Rai, Abhiman Sunya Nitai Nagare Bedai, Abhiman Sunya Nitai Nagare Bedai, Jare dekh tare kahe dante trinadhori, Jare dekhe tare kahe dante trinadhori, Amar kuniya lohe bhajo hari hari, Amar kiniya lohe bhajo gora hari, Akrodh Paramananda Nityananda Rai, Akrodh Paramananda Nityananda Rai, अभिमान शून्य निताय नगर बेदाय अभिमान शून्य निताय नगर बेदाय तो बोली नित्यानंद भूमे गई जाए तो बोली नित्यानंद भूमे गई जाए सोनारा पर्वत जेनु ढूलते लोटाए पर्वत जेनो ढूला ते लोटाए क्रोध परमानंद नित्यानंद राय क्रोध परमानंद नित्यानंद राय अभिमान शून्य निकाय नगर बेदाय अभिमान शून्य निकाय नगर बेदाय हेनु अवतार जार रति न जन्मीलो अवतारे जार रति न जन्मीलो लोचन बोले से पापी एलो और गेलो लोचन बोले से पापी एलो और गेलो क्रोध परमानंद नित्यानंद राय क्रोध परमानंद नित्यानंद राय अभिमान शून्य निताय नगर बेदाय Nityananda Prabhu ki jai, Shilochan Das Thakur ki jai. I will just read the translation to this wonderful song. The noble Lord Nityananda Raya is never angry, Akroth. He is never angry. For he is the personification of the supreme transcendental bliss. He himself is known as Nityananda. Nitya means eternally, always. Ananda, always full of Ananda or bliss, also known as Paramananda. Devoid of any concept of false ego, Nityananda wanders about the town, going from door to door in the residences of the most fallen and wretched souls. He freely distributes the gift of the Harinam Maha Mantra. He exclaims to whomever he sees while holding straw between the teeth, "Please purchase me by worshipping Gaurahari." Amare kunya loho bhajo Gaurahari. Purchase me, Nityananda is saying. By worshipping Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, purchase me. Saying this, Nityananda Prabhu rolls about on the ground, appearing like a golden mountain, tumbling in the dust. Lochan Das says, whoever has not experienced the awakening of affection for such an avatar as this, that sinful person simply comes and goes uselessly in the cycle of repeated birth and death.